I don't know. Let's break it. Oh, that was so beautiful. Wow. It's just like a Pop-Tart. Wow. This is straight. Oh my God, this is so weird. I'm on YouTube. So Abbott sent me these little like chopped chicken and chorizo. So I'm thinking I'm gonna use the chicken to make some vegan honey chicken because it's Saturday and I don't feel like cooking and it's so hot in Texas. So I'm like, why not just use this? This is what it looks like. What is the sodium? Because I try to watch my sodium intake. Ooh, 380 milligrams. Add as much salt, but let's go make some honey chicken. This is the back as well, and this is not sponsored, okay? So today is Sunday and we're going golfing. I love to golf, but I've only gone, how many times? Like twice. But I'm trying to get into golfing. So before I go, I'm going to have my watermelon juice just to stay hydrated and maybe a protein bar if I have any. I don't know. So I made this watermelon juice. I found watermelons at Kroger for $3.99. Let me take my glove off. And we got about 1.5 gallons of juice, and this is all that's left. And I made it like 2 days ago. So I'm gonna drink that, and then we're gonna go eat because our tea time's a little later than what I thought it was gonna be. I think it's like 9 o'clock right now, and we're looking at a 1:30 tea time. So I'm just gonna keep myself busy, drink my juice, and catch y'all later. Today, drinking. But that's okay, because I'm gonna make dinner. Remember the Abbott's chorizo I told y'all about at the beginning of the video? We will be cooking that tonight. This is what it looks like. So I'm super excited about this. I'm thinking about making a sun-dried tomato type of pasta vibe. I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. But I did make a quick Whole Foods one. So Whole Foods, Sprouts, a little bit of Kroger. This was $3.99 at Kroger. So I like the Follow Your Heart Parmesan. I think it's pretty good when it's $3.99. I'm not paying $7.99 for it. These Sprouts cookies were also on sale. Okay, look at that. $3.98. Delicious. I could eat the whole pack. I don't know what they put in these cookies. Only when they're soft, they're really, really good. They are super delicious. And I got some cashews because we'll be doing like a cashew type of Alfredo roll cream sauce. And I got this pasta. I love this pasta. It was also on sale at Sprouts. I think it was $2 off. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with dinner. I don't know what they put in these cookies, but it's like crack. It is so freaking, they are delicious. Yeah, I'm looking out. These cookies are talking to me. Let me not ruin my appetite. All right, let's taste it. So the consistency looks like pretty good. You want it kind of loose because it'll thicken up, but that's good. That's real good. Yeah. I definitely want to add some basil to this dish as well. So I'm going to show y'all my garden and the whole hydroponic thing I have going on behind me. If you ever see a light behind me, it is my garden. Yeah, I'm going to get the basil from there. There's the basil we'll be using. I never ended up eating this the actual night I made this. I ended up losing my appetite. That's a whole different story. So I'm just now getting around to eating this. And that's been happening to me lately where like I'll be hungry, then I'll make something. I'm like, oh, I'm just not hungry anymore. So now it's lunchtime. It's time to eat. This is so good. It has like the perfect amount of creaminess, even like 2 days later, and the perfect amount of spice. I like the Abbott's chorizo. I really do like it. I'm not a big fan of pea protein, but that's actually really, really good. I think y'all should try it. I need to figure out like what else I'm gonna make today. Oh, I'm doing some behind the scenes stuff. I need to make some Pop-Tarts for my Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will be getting that. I did make some homemade strawberry jam. Let me show y'all. Here's what it looks like. The consistency is like it looks so nice. So I'm gonna put this in the Pop-Tart filling, and I don't know, I was in a jammy mood, so I wanted to make some jam. So let me know if I should drop the recipe for that one here too. It's super easy. It only took me 3 ingredients. I'm gonna continue to eat my amazing pasta and probably shoot some more stuff for y'all, and I will talk to you soon. So these are how the vegan Pop-Tarts came out. They look so cute, and I basically manipulated the Burger Dude's recipe. If you don't follow him, you should follow him. Love him. Let me plug his cookbook really quick. Hold on. This is his cookbook. I absolutely love it. I don't know if this recipe is in here because it's on his YouTube, but we love the burger dude in this house. So these are what the Pop-Tarts look like. I'm going to break it open and hopefully my camera is focusing. I don't know. Let's break it. Oh, that was so beautiful. Wow. That's what the inside looks like. Now, let's try it. It's just like a Pop-Tart. Wow. On that note, the video's over because this is delicious. You need to stop what you're doing, head over to his page, and make, excuse me, and make this recipe. Wow. Not a lot of other people's recipes leave me speechless. As always, like, subscribe, let me know what else you want to see. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you so much. Let me know what else you want to see from my channel. I'm very new to this, but I'm very excited for this journey. My mouth is watering because I want more of the Pop-Tart. But I will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.